Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are starting a brand new series on how to master video editing using CapCut from scratch. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to start a new project and import your videos. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut on your device. Right at the top, you will see a big plus icon that says New Project. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open your gallery. Now, look through your files and select the video clips or photos you want to edit. You can select multiple clips at once. Once you've chosen your media, click on the Add button at the bottom right corner and there you go. Your videos are now imported into the main timeline. This area right here is your timeline, where you can swipe left or right to move through your video. Down below, you can see all the essential tools we will be using, like edit, audio, text, and effects. That's it for part 1. In the next video, we will learn how to cut and trim our videos to remove unwanted parts. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. See you in part 2. Welcome back to part 2 of our CapCut tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how to cut, split, and trim your videos. This is the most important skill in video editing because it helps you remove unwanted mistakes and long pauses. Let's get into it. To cut a video in half, first, scroll through your timeline and stop the white vertical line exactly where you want to make the cut. Next, tap on the video clip and then click on the split tool at the bottom left. As you can see, our video is now divided into 2 separate clips. Now, if you want to remove an unwanted part, simply tap on that specific clip to select it. Then, select the bottom menu and hit the delete icon. Boom! The bad part is gone, and the remaining clips automatically snap together. Another quick way to shorten your video is by trimming. Just tap on the clip, grab the thick white handle at the beginning or the end of the video, and drag it inward. This lets you quickly adjust the length without splitting, and that is how you clean up your footage in CapCut. In part 3, we will look at how to add smooth transitions between our clips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the next episode. See you there. Welcome to part 3. Today, let's make your video cuts look super smooth by adding transitions. First, look at your timeline. Between your 2 clips, you'll see a small white square button. Just tap on that. This opens the transition menu. You can choose from overlay, camera, or effect styles. Select one you like and use the slider below to make it faster or slower. Tap the check mark to apply and look at that smooth transition. In part 4, we will add background music and sound effects. Hit follow and save this video for later. Welcome to part 4. Today, we are adding audio to bring our video to life. First, tap on the audio tool at the bottom, then click on Sounds. You can search for copyright-free background music right here and tap the plus icon to add it. To make sure the music isn't too loud, tap the audio track, click volume, and lower it. Finally, scroll to the right, tap reduce noise, and turn it on to instantly clean up your voiceover. Now, your video sounds crisp and professional. In part 5, we'll add cool text and captions. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Welcome to part 5. Let's add text and automatic captions to keep your viewers hooked. First, tap on text at the bottom, then click on Auto Captions. Choose your language, select a cool template, and hit Generate. CapCut will automatically convert your voice into text. To style them all at once, tap on any caption, click Style, and change the font, color, or add a neat animation. It's that easy. Now, your video is highly engaging and ready for the world. In our final part, part 6, we'll export our video in the highest quality. Subscribe so you don't miss the finale.